Hello everyone, I'm Alex. Welcome back to Mr. Sir Learning. Today, we are going to improve our English while discovering the inspiring life of Sonam Wangchuk. This is not just the story of a famous person, it is the story of a man who believes that education, innovation, and nature can change the future. So, let's begin. Imagine this. A beautiful land surrounded by the high mountains of Ladakh. The air is cold, the roads are difficult, life is not always easy. But from this peaceful place came a man whose ideas would inspire people around the world. His name is Sonam Wangchuk. Sonam Wangchuk was born on September 1st, 1966 in Ulay Tokpo, a small village in the Leh district of Ladakh, India. During his early childhood, there was no suitable school near his home. His mother taught him at home before he started formal education. Those early lessons gave him a strong love for learning. As he grew older, he went to school and later studied mechanical engineering at the National Institute of Technology, Srinagar. While studying, he noticed that many students from Ladakh faced problems in the education system. Many children were intelligent, but they struggled because the schools did not match their language, environment, and daily life. Instead of only talking about the problem, Sonam Wangchuk decided to find a solution. After completing his engineering degree, he helped establish the Students' Educational and Cultural Movement of Ladakh, better known as SECMOL. The goal was simple: make education practical, help students learn by doing. At SECMOL, students did much more than read books. They learned science through experiments. They solved real-life problems. They worked together. They became confident learners. This unique education model attracted visitors from India and many other countries. People wanted to understand how simple ideas could improve education so effectively. But education was only one part of his mission. Ladakh faces another major challenge. Water is limited. During winter, water freezes. During spring, farmers often need water before the glaciers begin to melt. Sonam Wangchuk searched for a practical answer. He and his team developed the ice stupa. An ice stupa is a large cone-shaped structure made from frozen water. It stores water during winter. When spring arrives, the ice melts slowly. This provides water for farms at the right time. The project received international attention because it showed how innovation can work with nature instead of against it. Over the years, Sonam Wangchuk has received many honors for his work. One of the most important is the Ramon Magsaysay Award, which he received in 2018 for his contributions to education, community leadership, and innovation. His work has inspired teachers, students, engineers, and environmentalists across the world. In recent years, Sonam Wangchuk has also become a well-known voice for the future of Ladakh. He has spoken about protecting the fragile Himalayan environment, preserving local culture, and promoting sustainable development. He believes that progress should respect both people and nature. To raise awareness about these issues, his commitment to peaceful action and public dialogue has made him an important public figure. Today, Sonam Wangchuk is known as an engineer, educator, innovator, and environmental activist. His journey reminds us that one person can create change by solving real problems. He did not wait for someone else to improve his community. He started with small ideas. Those ideas became real projects, and those projects touched thousands of lives. His story teaches us that true success is not measured by fame. It is measured by the positive difference we make in the lives of others. Every challenge is also an opportunity. Every problem has a possible solution, and every learner has the power to create a better future. Life lessons 1. Never stop learning, no matter where you come from. 2. Real education should help solve real problems. 3. Small ideas can create big changes. 4. Protect nature because it protects our future. 5. Success becomes meaningful when it helps other people. 6. Stay curious, work hard, and never give up. 7. Believe that one person can make a difference. Thank you for learning English with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments whose inspiring story you would like to learn next. This is Alex from Mr. Sir Learning.